Hi everyone. So today we're going to learn how to play 3 chords on the ukulele and a simple strum. So before we start playing the ukulele, we're going to go ahead and tune up together. So how we tune our ukulele is by turning these keys. One direction will tighten up your string, and when you go the opposite direction, it'll loosen up your string. If you need help, get somebody to help you out, okay? So the first string is a G string, high G. Next is a C note. Next is an E. Next is an A. It should sound like something like this. So before we start strumming our chords, let me show you a simple way to strum. With our right hand, we're going to use our thumb and we're going to go in a downwards motion like this. So we're going to count 4 times together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to show you how to hold your ukulele. So let me turn myself to the side. So with your left hand, you want to put your thumb behind the neck this way, as you can see. What you don't want to do is to hold your ukulele this way. What happens when you do that, you get muffled sounds, and also too, after a while playing, your hand will start to hurt. So it should sound something like this. So the chord should ring, and you should have a gap this way, as you can see. Not this way, or more this way. So let me turn myself this way so you can see from this direction. So remember, put your thumb behind the neck so you get a proper sound. Not this way. Don't grip your ukulele this way because you'll get a muted sound and your hand will start to hurt. So our first chord is going to be a C major chord. So what we want to do with our ukulele, we're going to count 3 times on the bottom string. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. And then with the same strumming, we're going to strum down 4 times together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the second chord we're going to play is the F chord. We're going to use 2 fingers now. So we're going to go into the first position and count down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And go ahead and leave your finger there. On the top string, we're going to play the next note and we're going to count 2 times on the very top. So we're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Alright, we have it like this. Let me get a little closer so you can see how it looks. Alright, so we're going to strum 4 times down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next chord we're going to play is the G7. We're going to use 3 fingers. This time we're going to start from the bottom string and work our way up. So we go from the bottom string and we're going to count 2 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The next note we're going to play is the second string from the bottom, and it's only going to be on the first position. There's just 1. 1, 1. The next string we're going to play is the third from the bottom, and we're going to go to the second position. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we have our G7 chord, and we're going to strum down 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we learned our 3 chords, and now we're going to go over our chords together. So the first chord was a C, so let's play it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. The F chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. The G7 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the C chord one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the ending of our ukulele tutorial. Thank you for joining. Hope to see you soon.